Hey students, welcome back to another week of graphic design. This week we are still using Canva. And with your Canva account, you need to create an Instagram post. I've actually given you a sample I did here. Your Instagram post just needs to have a positive message. You see here, I got a picture of myself with the message, get outside today. I think maybe a lot of us have been spending too much time indoors, and so let's get outside, enjoy the sunshine, go for a walk, walk the dog, do some gardening, whatever, just have some fun with friends. But let's get outside today, okay? So the objectives for this assignment, you're going to be able to create an Instagram post on Canva and share a positive message with the world. You do not have to have an Instagram account in order to complete this assignment. You can simply share it via Canva and upload it to Moodle. As with all our assignments, you don't actually have to post this assignment to social media, so don't worry about that. If you've not yet created your Canva account, most of you have, but there's a few out there who still haven't done it. If you haven't created your account on Canva, there's some instructions here on the Moodle how to do that. I will give you this link in the email I send so you know how to get to this Moodle page and get started on this assignment. All right, let's go over to Canva and see what we're doing today. All righty, here we are in the Canva website. And when you get in here, you see this on the home page. What you're going to do is click on the blue button upper left corner and choose create a design. And if you don't see Instagram in here, you might have to search for Instagram. And you're going to make an Instagram post, not an Instagram story. So choose Instagram post from the list, and that will open up Canva in a large window like this. Then we are going to, I'm just adjusting my window here, thank you. This is what you'll see in Instagram once you've selected Instagram, sorry, this is what you see in Canva once you've selected Instagram post. And you've got a whole bunch of different possible designs here, okay? So you can simply look through these and find something that you find as an interesting design, layout, whatever. But I'm going to show you what I did. You don't have to make yours look like mine, but this is what I did. I found this, I think it was under the summer section of Instagram posts, and I just liked the fact that there was a room for a photo and a room for some text. So you click on that, and it opens it to the right. Now, of course, there's photos there of people you don't know. We don't want to leave it that way. So, for example, I'm going to double click on this picture back here of this little kid, and that opens up just the image part of this, and I'm just going to hit the delete button on my keyboard. Goodbye, don't want that. All right, I want to put a picture of myself. You saw my sample one. I want a picture of myself out enjoying the outdoors. So I'm going to go over to my uploads because I'm going to use my own photo. So in order to do this, you'd have to take a picture and get it from your camera. And so I'm going to click on the uploads, and I've already uploaded this picture, but so I can just select it. But if you have not yet uploaded, just click on upload an image or video, select the image, and it'll show up here. So there we go, we've got that. I'm going to click on that. That's the one I want to use. A little bit small, so I'm going to just resize it appropriately. Okay, and I've got it there. That's great. Now, unfortunately, if I were to leave this like this, this colored area here is right over my face. Okay, that's not exactly what I want, right? So I need to move this to another part of the design, okay? And Instagram posts by default are square in format. They're the same width as they are height. That's because that's what Instagram likes. So this is the format I have to work with. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my mouse over this orangey shape area, and I'm just going to select it, and I'm going to drag it to the upper right corner of my design, and I'm going to, so I can put my text up there, and now the picture area is not covered. Say I want to rotate this a little bit, I can rotate it with the rotate tool here, which is hard to see, but there it is, and there you go. I've got that. I like that. Okay, I like that layout. Works pretty good. Of course, now I need to take the text, which is down here, and also put that up here into this area. I zoomed out a little bit because I wanted to be able to see everything. I'm going to zoom back in. How do I do that? Control plus on the keyboard will let me zoom in a little bit. Control minus will let me zoom out. There's also a way to change how much you're zoomed in down here, lower right. All right, so I've got that. Now it says here, Bobby goes to the beach. That's not what I want to say. I want to say something like, I think I said, get outside today. Something like that, okay? And I'm going to highlight that text because I don't like that blue color. I want it to match some of the colors in my photograph, so I'm going to highlight that. And you see the color option up here. Click that. There's a pretty close pink there to what I've got. I like that pink. It goes with my shirt color. However, now it doesn't look very good on this orangey color. So I'm going to select the orange shape, and then I can see I can come up here and change that color and maybe do something like that. Now, I don't want it to say summer 2022, so I'm just highlighting that little box up there, and I'm going to hit the delete key and then click on this other little text down here. It selects that box. Also hit the delete key on my keyboard. So now I'm just left with my little message, and I like it. I can resize it a little bit, make it as big as it can be and still fit in that space. And there you go. I love it. I'm done. That's how easy it is to make an Instagram post with a positive message inside canva.com. All right, let's talk about how we save it and turn it in. Okay? The first thing you do to turn it in is share it. Okay? Actually, before you do that, let's change the text up here that's in this box. This is the name of the file, the name of the project. Many of you are still not changing that, and that's difficult. What it's doing is putting whatever text you wrote in the text box up here. We don't want that because it's very hard for me to grade it. So it needs to have, first of all, the number of the assignment. This is number 4. Then it has to have your last name and then your first name. Then it has to have either blue 1 or blue 2, because those are the only 2 graphic design classes I have. So I'm going to put blue 1. It could be blue 2. And that's the name of the file. That's really important. So let's make sure we're changing that properly. Okay. Once that's changed, click on the share button. Don't select my name, the one with my icon picture here, but choose the one with the initials KD for Chris DeBruin's team. Come over here where you see the eyeball, click on that and say Can View. Okay, that's all you need to do to share it for grading. Okay, that's the first step, I should say. That's the first step. However, there's another way I want you to save it and turn it in, and that's even better. It makes it much easier for me to find your work. So I'm going to suggest you do this if you can. Click on the download button. Okay. From the file type, choose JPEG. It makes it the smallest file size possible. Even drag this size slider to the left, making it about half the size it was. Okay. And then the quality should still be 80. Then please click the download button to download the file to your computer. Okay, once it gets done downloading it, you'll see this little window telling you it's done. Okay, once you've finished downloading that, I just downloaded it to my desktop to make it easy to find. I need to go over to the Moodle where I can then upload it. Let's go there. Okay, once you're on the Moodle, this is what you're going to see. Step 1 again of turning it in was sharing your design on Canva, but also step 2 is really important. Upload to Moodle. You come here, you go down and click on the Add Submission button, which is at the bottom of this page. You scroll back down to the bottom of the page, click here to upload a file, choose a file. I'm going to my desktop where then I find the file I just downloaded a few minutes ago. I click on Open, upload this file, and now I'm going to see it there. Click the Save Changes button, and I have now turned in my assignment. That's all it takes. Okay, I hope you're doing well. Have a good week. This is your assignment. As you can see, it does not take long to complete at all. And so please just do this quickly, get it turned in, and you're done for the week. I hope you have a great week and take care. And hey, get outside today. Bye-bye.